Okay, class 10 students, in the previous video, I have taught you the basics of reflection. So today I will be dealing with the spherical mirrors. Now, what are spherical mirrors? Mirrors that are cut out from reflecting spheres are known as spherical mirror. Jodi eta dangor reflecting sphere pora mirror kati ulua hoy tetia hole hetuk spherical mirrors boli koa hoy. So I hope you can see clearly in the figure given below that there are two mirrors shown. First one is named as concave mirror and the next one is named as the convex mirror. Now, what is a concave mirror? A mirror whose inner hollow surface, if you can see in the concave mirror diagram, I have shaded one portion whereas the inner surface is the hollow surface. Can you see it? Yes, that inner hollow surface is used as a reflecting surface in a concave mirror. Okay, and if you look at the other mirror XY, that is known as a convex mirror. Why is it known as a convex mirror? That in that mirror the reflecting surface is the outer bulging surface, whereas the inner surface is being colored off, right? So these are the two basic spherical mirrors that we are going to deal with right now. Alright, so next we will be coming to know about the different parts of the spherical mirror. See, the different parts of the spherical mirror are center of curvature, focus, pole, principal axis and radius of curvature. Alright, so what is center of curvature? So center of curvature means the center of the sphere of which the spherical mirror is a part. If you can see this diagram, yes, see, MN is a spherical mirror. I have drawn a concave mirror. Now, MN is a part of a sphere. MN is a part of a sphere. Now, the center of that sphere is C. Eta tumi sphere lola. Sphere to gul sobe jana. Tar eta center thakibo. He center to hoise C. হলে তুমি আমি সদায় কম্পাসেৰে আকো তেতিয়া হলে সাৰ্কেলটো বা স্ফিয়াৰটো কম্পাসেৰে আকিলে তাতো এটা সেন্টাৰ থাকিব সেই সেন্টাৰটোক সি টুক কয় সেন্টাৰ অফ কাৰ্ভেচাৰ অফ দ্য মিৰৰ ৰাইট নেক্সট ইউ হেভ টু নো about pole. Now what is pole? You can see the mirror MN. Yes, so on the mirror MN at the midpoint of the mirror MN you will get a vertex. Okay, that is known as the pole. Now, if you join the pole P and the center of curvature C in the mirror, you will get a straight line. That straight line is known as the principal axis. The straight line passing through the pole and the center of curvature of a spherical mirror is known as the principal axis. In the given mirror MN, PC is the principal axis. Next comes your focus. Now, what is the focus? Have you seen the principal axis PC? Yes. So in PC, the midpoint of PC is known as focus. Why is that point named as focus? Focusor meaning to ki? Focus mane hoise eta pointot jetia kiba kisuman bostu ahi ekeloge log khai ba he pointor pura ekeloge bahut kisuman bostu ulai jay hetuk focus boli koa hoy, right? So principal focus of a spherical mirror is that point on the mirror to which the rays of light after reflection actually meet at that point or tend to meet at that point. Now when you will learn about this concave and convex mirror, you will know that concave mirror is known as a converging mirror. Converging or meaning ki? Jetia rays of light bor ekeloge eta pointot log khaihi, they have the tendency of converging to a point. Right, so that is known as the point of convergence. So concave mirror is a converging mirror. Now when you will study about convex mirror, the convex mirror have the tendency of diverging rays of light after reflection. Mane reflection or pisot rays of light bur hodai convex mirror khonor pa atorole sitiki durole gusi jay. Tar pisot ami dotted lines di pelai pisfale ami tar eta মানে meeting point bisari uliabo lage, right? So that is known as divergence of convex mirror, I'm sorry. So concave mirror is known as a converging mirror and convex mirror is known as a diverging mirror. So I hope you are clear with the spherical mirror basics. So please go through and try to reach out to me in case of any difficulty in understanding, and please like and subscribe for further updates. Thank you.